If you are wondering how you can create your digital products using AI, so don't sweat it because in this video I'm gonna show you amazing websites help you to create your digital products completely for free. And now let's begin with the first website now today's list, that is pdfgen.com. Here in this awesome website you can create your PDF file as you want. Simply you can insert here your description of your PDF product, like it could be invoice, lease agreement, event ticket, and so on, and it gives you back this amazing PDF digital product, and for sure you can export it completely for free. So this website is pdfgen.com. And now let's move on to the next website in our today's list, that is fursuregamma.app. Here it is a stunning website where you can create your PDF documents, landing pages, and so on. For example, I want to show you this amazing document about the evolution of art through history. So here you can get this amazing guide as a PDF document, so you can provide for your audience as a free P or a complete guide or a paid digital product. And for sure it's completely for free. And the next website quickly, that is Napkin.ai, one of the most recent mind-blowing websites to create your visuals from any text you are thinking of. Here you can sign up for free, then you can create your new napkin either using AI or from a file, or even your description, or from your script that you got from ChatGPT, or you're jotting down, and so on. Like this one as an example. Here you can convert any paragraph into beautiful visual. It could be like a flow chart or something else. So here, for example, you can find for every single paragraph or the whole article, you can paste here or generate it from napkin.ai. This signal, I can click over this one. Then it analyzes this paragraph and it gives you back this amazing visual that conveyed this message behind this paragraph. Like this one, for example, as you see in different styles, so you can actually get this amazing visual as an PNG image to provide for your customers as a freelancer, as digital product, and so on. So this website is napkin.ai. And the next website quickly, that is infographics.in. It's an amazing website enables you to convert any idea, any piece of content to beautiful infographic to deliver this information in a great way and understood for your audience. So here, first of all, just you can set your dimensions of your infographic. Here you can find the different like vertical, square, horizontal, and so on. Select your language, and the infographic supports different languages including Spanish, Portuguese, Arabic, and so on. Then insert here your prompt or your content as you want. So for example, here I just in a snap, here you can find a plethora of different amazing infographic files that you can use later as a downloadable digital products and sell them as you want. As you see, amazing infographic, and you can provide these digital products as a freelancer or anything else. So this website is infographics.in. And the next website quickly for sure is recraft.ai. It's a splendid platform where you can create your images, vectors, icons, and sell them as you want as digital downloads. And for sure, just by using AI from A to Z. So here you can use this amazing website completely for free to create your assets as you want. And for sure, I just talked about this amazing website in details in a previous video. You can find this video down below in the description box and the first comment. And now let's move on to the upcoming website, that is Remo Carousel Tool. Here you can create your carousel post for social media, and for sure you can use this amazing tool to create your digital download just by combining all these slides as a PDF file to provide to your audience as a giveaway or a paid product. So here, for example, you can insert something about any niche, about any field, like this one, for example, about the pet dogs, the best ways to train your dog like a pro, and then insert your website or name. It would be applied for every slide or page in your digital download. Okay, select your font, upload your logo regarding your business, and the result would be amazing like this one, as you see. Then it's time to take a screenshot of every single slide using any inbuilt windows like Shift Windows S in your keyboard and gather all of them as a PDF file using any PDF converter online. So this website is Remo Carousel. And the next website quickly, that is sheetography.com. Here you can find a plethora of cheat sheets that are spanning different fields from technology, software, business, games, hobbies, to home and health, and so forth. Here you can find any cheat sheet you are thinking of. So you can download as you want and give them as a giveaway to your audience to build your trust, promote anything else as you want. So here you can find many of these cheat sheets. And the next website quickly, that is checklist.gg. Here you can find for sure many of these checklists waiting for you, and as well as here you can create your checklist as you like. Here you can start for free and build your checklist using AI just in few seconds around any topic about any niche you want. And the next website quickly, that is mymap.ai, in particular as a cheat sheet maker, because cheat sheet is an amazing digital product that the people want to get it to get a concise information about something they want a solution for it and so on. So here you can build your cheat sheet using this amazing website completely for free. And of course, I just talked about how you can try and leverage this way to make money online. You can find this video down below in the description box and the first comment. And the next website quickly, that is mylens.ai. You can create various of these amazing digital items completely for free. Just you can use any documents, URL, YouTube video, or image to convert it to beautiful digital download. Like this one, like a timeline, mind map, quadrant, table, flowchart, and so on. For sure you can get all these visuals completely for free to sell them as digital downloads. And the next website quickly, that is Ask to Asset. Here you can convert your people also ask questions from Google to beautiful valuable assets or your content or digital downloads. So if you're interested in making money online, just selling done for you and SEO optimized articles, you can find this amazing website. You can select your niche from this amazing drop down menu, then select your topic and find questions related to this topic, and click over this button that says article. Here you can find a beautiful SEO article ready for you to publish, to download as a PDF, and so on. So that way you can create your PDF in different ways using these amazing AI websites. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.